Hey guys, it's your girl Ebony Deshay and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love you guys have been pouring out, and if you are new, definitely hit that subscribe button to keep up with what's going on. Yeah, so you know what time it is. It's time to beat this face. So let's get into it, shall we? So my package has come in and I'm very excited. Shout out to my sister cousin Elizabeth for the graduation gift. I love you, girl. Mac. Oh my god, glitter at that. So I have this glitter that I have never dealt with before and I'm excited. Plus some eye primer base. So we're gonna see how this turned out. Let's go on and clip these bangs back. Okay, so I've tried it and it's staying. I don't want to hear nothing about it, but it's staying in the collection, okay? And we're going to go ahead and use this as our primer for today and get this look on the way. Now I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue to set my eyebrows in place. We're going to brush them up. Today I'm going to be using my crayon case eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in and use the black to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, now we're going to clean up these eyebrows with some concealer. Always blend out your concealer to make it seamless and flow into your foundation. I learned that by watching a couple videos, and to get rid of those harsh lines, because once your concealer sets, those lines will be there. Okay, now I'm going to take some of this MAC eye primer base and I'm going to put it on the top of my lid, and I'm also going to put it underneath my eyes as well. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that or not, but I'm going to do it today because I just want to see how this works. But I'm still going to put some concealer on top of that base, and hopefully that works some magic with this eye look that we're going with today. Okay, going in with my first shade from the crayon case, and I'm just gonna start that off just a little above my crease. Okay, I'm going in with my second shade, and I'm just going to pack that on in the middle and kind of on the outskirts of the eye. Not fully my lid, but I'm going to try to blend that in to the first shadow, and we'll just see how that comes out. Okay, here's what I have so far, and not too bad, not too bad. Oh Lord, y'all pray. I'm so nervous, but we're gonna go in with this eyelash glue, and I'm not even sure if this is right. I didn't look up a video on how to put on glitter. I'm just trying to wing it, but I hope I'm doing it right. Oh God, we're placing it on, and okay, it's sticking. So I'm hoping that I'm hoping that this is gonna work full out. So far so good. So I'm just going to continue to pack that on because it's starting to look good. And that is so, oh my God, it is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It's giving mermaid. Oh, it's giving mermaid. Ooh, it's giving mermaid. Okay, now it's time to put on some eyeliner. And I found this little, I guess you call it felt tip, if I'm saying it right. But I love it so much better than the pencil, and it's easy to glide on. I have shaky hands and my eyes jump too. So it's very hard for me to put on any type of liner. But this seems to be working really smoothly, and it's easy to put over this glitter. I was nervous about that as well, but I'm able to kind of tap it on. I'm not even like really stroking except on the end there, trying to get this little wing thing going on. But so far, I think I'm loving this better, and I'm gonna have to go back to the Dollar Tree where I got it and get about 50 more of these. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I know my eyeliner could be a little thicker, but hey, I'm learning to put this much on. So just this much, I feel accomplished. I feel so accomplished. Okay, we're gonna go in with our mascara. I'm still not sure if I want to put lashes on. I know lashes probably make this look pop, but that's still a struggle, and I don't want to mess up my glitter trying to put on eyelashes. I don't know. I'll think about it. Today we're using another one of my favorite foundations. It's a foundation and concealer in one, and I love the way this feels on my skin. And it blends out so smoothly, and it sets really nicely. Has a really nice finish. Oh, here's my husband coming to show me something so cute. It was too adorable. But yeah, we're gonna go in and set with our setting spray, and then we're gonna go in with our concealer and focus on our highlighted areas. And I'm using a little more product than I normally would, just to kind of make the look stand out a little more. And so we're just gonna use extra product. So hopefully I blend. Okay, let's do a little contouring, shall we? Now it's time to go in and set our highlighted areas and also our contour areas with our bronzer. So I saw this little trick and I just wanted to try it out. I guess to bring a little more highlight down underneath the cheek or whatever. But I must say it would not blend. Maybe I put too much product, I don't know. But I was having a hard time trying to blend out that line, and I don't like harsh lines now. Now I'm going in with that first eyeshadow shade that I used on my eye here, and I'm going to put on my bottom lash line to just kind of add a little pop, a little razzle dazzle down there. Okay, I was iffy about using some blush because the eyes are so bold, but we're going to add some blush. Your girl loves her some blush, okay? Okay, we're going to go in on top of the blush and put a nice golden highlight on top of it to give it some shimmery shine. Okay, let's go and wipe off these lips and get them prepped for the lipstick. I'm going to use 2 shades today, and I'm going to try to ombre it out. Now, I don't know how it's going to look with these bold eyes, because I was thinking, should I have went for a nude lip? Or, who cares? We're going all out. We're going all out today. Yeah, we doing that. We're going to bump these bottom lashes with a little mascara. Okay, I'm liking them. Okay, look, we're going to go on and put some lashes on, okay? Just, let us pray, okay? Let us pray. Okay, first attempt, first lash. Let's do this. So far, so good. Second lash, I'm doing off camera. Okay, yeah, I'm doing that off camera. And here we are, rolling out the final results. So how did I do, guys? I'm pretty impressed. I've never dealt with glitter. I'm pretty impressed and proud of myself. Yeah, we can work on those shadows, those lids there, but for a first timer here, I'm feeling cute. I must say she cute. And can we give a couple of snaps for the curls, okay? This is day 5 and the curls are hurting strong. The bangs fell a little bit, but even those falling bangs are giving. Yeah. I like this, even with the lip. I think it came out amazing. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Until next time.